Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. And what I wanted to share with you today is for our upcoming butterfly course that we have coming out, I wanted to share with you another way that you can get an additional discount or promotion. It's kind of like a win-win situation. So if you're interested in getting this course and you want to save a little bit of money on it, I'm going to share with you in this video how you can do that right now. All right, so if you haven't heard, we have the butterfly course coming out and launching within just a few days, August 31st, September 1st, right around that time frame. And it's going to be a little bit of a staggered release. So basically, we're going to release the first batch of videos, then the first week, then the next week, we're going to release the next batch, and so on and so forth. That way, people don't rush through it. That's number one. The second thing is it allows me to finish up one or two other modules that I want to fill in the gaps. Also, if anybody has questions, I can also say, hey, maybe I could put that module. If I need to add any modules, I could put it in a little bit later. So anyways, if you want to save a little bit of money on it, you can get the early bird. So it's that first month of purchasing, and the coupon code will be kind of right here at the top. So you'll see kind of this same banner right here. We'll put the coupon code up there as well, and right here on the homepage. So it'll be very present. Make sure you write that down and enter that in if it's not automatically applied. The second thing you can do is if you want to get an additional coupon code and you want to save extra money, and you've purchased one of our other courses before, maybe you've purchased a book, maybe you've attended a class, or even you watched a ton of the YouTube videos and you've enjoyed it, you could go ahead and record a video testimonial, and if it's accepted, we'll go ahead and send you a $50 coupon that you could use towards this purchase or another purchase as well for another course over I think about $100 for the course. So you can go in and it'll look something like this, and then you'll just record a video testimonial up to at most 2 minutes. If you make it short, sweet, to the point, and it works out and the team accepts it, then by all means you'll get that coupon within a couple of days, and then you can apply it to the butterfly course or some other course as well. So anyways, that's just another way that you could go ahead and save a little bit of money on your purchase, and that's definitely for somebody that's already watched some of our courses or bought a book or watched a lot of videos or interacted with us in some sort of way. So anyways, just another idea and opinion for you to go ahead and save a little bit of more money if you're interested in getting the butterfly course that's set to release here very soon. Thanks for joining me, and feel free to go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check out some of the freebies that we have available on our website as well, or see some other great videos that you might not have seen before. So thanks, and I will see you next time.